comes. Sal's whipping around the corner there like, whoa, whoa. He overshot the mark there. Okay. That was kind of rough. 11.3. Hey, you know what, Sal? Great t-shirt, bro. All right, 7.4. Who can beat 7.4? Here we go. Huh? Bill still rules, but this is our first female. Teresa. And Teresa's doing it with one hand. Should we give her a handicap? No. Or at least give her a hand, you know what I mean? All right, here comes Teresa. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! All right, here she comes, ladies and gentlemen. Back around. Very cool. Teresa. Alex Brody's Christmas tire. 8.8. Bill, you just killed it, dude. You really messed it up for a lot of people, you realize that. All right. I know it. Ron is here. Give him all your aloha. He'll be here for as long as he needs to give you an autograph. And folks, as you can see, we've got our official table over here. And we'll be hosting Ron outside for a bit. I guess we're going to have to go with our contest winner, Bill, huh? Bill kind of messed things up. We're going to have to read it. Let's hear it for Bill. Bill, our winner right now. Ron Capps, ladies and gentlemen. A very special autograph session here at Podium Raceway today, along with Napa, Hawaii, 107.9 Hawaii School Gold, and 97.5 Hawaii's Hot Country, Napa Cup 2012. Thank you for coming out. Make sure you get your autograph and your picture with Ron Capps.